Hey guys, it's Jeremy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first official YouTube video. I've posted shorts before, but I wanted to try post some more interesting content. Today I'll be giving a short tour of my college room. I'll be going over the estimated prices of each key component to my setup, and they'll all be in the description below if you're interested in buying. Enjoy! First, I'll be starting off with my bed. I purchased it from IKEA for around $219 USD. It's a Malm black and brown twin bed frame. It's fairly quick to assemble if you have a power tool. However, my friend and I didn't, so it took around 40 minutes since we had to drill the screws in by hand. The hanger is the only thing that I didn't buy from IKEA. I actually bought it from Target. It is probably my most favorite part of the room, not only because it's so versatile in holding most of my clothes and shoes, but it also looks amazing. It helps a lot when I'm in a rush either to school or a gym. I can easily spot out what I want to wear and slip it on. My desk is the place where I do and will be doing most of my hobbies, work, and studying. It was around 50 USD. I like to keep my desk pretty empty because it's hard for me to focus when everything is cluttered. On the right side of my desk is where I store all my camera and music equipment. I dabbled a little bit in music last year, but I hope to do some more of it this coming year, with a fake plant to add to the aesthetic look of the room, and also I have one at the bottom of my desk as well. Next to my desk is my mirror. It's in a very convenient spot and I can easily check for my outfit after using my clothes rack or see how tired I am. Underneath, I've added some decor to spice up the look. To light up my room at night, I bought this gray lamp. I really like the look of it. It was around 80 USD. Each individual bulb is movable so you can make them face downwards or upwards. Last, but also one of my favorites, is the fake patches of grass. You can buy a pack of 9 for around 55 USD. I use it everywhere around my setup, and it also adds to the green aesthetic look of the room. Thanks for watching my short room tour. I'm looking forward to making more of these types of videos and vlogs, so stay tuned.